Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to complete the brand new summer camp event in Grow Garden. Okay, let's get into it guys. First, head over to the campfire area. The goal of this event is simple: burn fruits and plants to keep the campfire alive. The more players helping, the easier it is, so I highly recommend joining a public server. And to fuel the fire, walk up to the campfire and deposit fruits from your inventory. Keep feeding the fire to increase the event tier. The rarer the fruit you donate, the faster you will progress through the tiers. And there are a total of five tiers, and each tier unlocks better rewards. Once your server reaches the maximum tier, you will gain access to all available crafting recipes. Right here to view the tiers, guys. And next, you can head over to the crafting station. Here, you can craft exclusive summer camp rewards, including the campfire eggs right here, special seeds, and other limited time items. The higher the campfire tier, the more recipes you will be able to craft. And the campfire egg contains several exclusive pets that can only be obtained during this event. So make sure to craft as many as possible while the event is active. And also the BCB event is now permanent, guys. If you want to access it, you can simply switch back to your bee garden or honey garden right here. Okay. So you will be able to play this BCB event anytime you want. And okay guys, that's it. The summer camp event is super easy. Just burn fruits, level up the campfire, and craft exclusive rewards. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notification for more Grow a Garden updates. And see you in the next video. Bye!